Hi.
No comment muna, ha?
Oo, sige, sige.
But you're based here.
Opo, ako po yung dala ng TV5.
Okay.
Ito po kayo po yung legal team. Hindi, ano.
Hindi. GP, I'm here as a
Hello po,
family
magandang
member.
umaga po.
Sige.
Okay, sige. Thank you. Alright. Hi, Senator. Hello po.
Assalamualaikum.
Yes. Where shall we get, sir? Yes. Yes, my name is Herminio Hari El Roque. I'm the lead counsel of the court. I'm here to see...
VP, nakausap niyo na po ba siya? PRRD? No comment? Sige. Okay. Alright.
Okay. Okay, go.
Yes, can I help you?
My name is Herminio Hari El Roque Jr. I'm a member of the list council of this court. I'm here to confer with my client, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. He does not know that I have arrived at The Hague. He has to be informed. I'm also here in the presence
Okay.
of...
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Sir.
yes.
Sir, you can step in, and the lady, she's not allowed to record.
The lady, you're not allowed to record. Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Only for you, only for you.
I am here with the daughter of
No,
the...
for the moment,
For the moment.
only you come to the private.
Senator, kailan po kayo dumating?
Wala mo comment.
Wala